Hi guys, this is Josh Chick here, and today I'm going to show you on how to charge your 116 Plus smartwatch. Let's go! Alright, so I actually make this video because I think some people still don't know how to charge their 116 Plus smartwatch. So we're going to see first. Okay, this is the front side, and then as you can see here, there are two straps here. We have here the circular button. We're gonna do is we're going to go to the opposite strap, which is here, and let's try to remove it. And then as you can see, there are two pins, so that's where we're gonna charge our smartwatch. And now is we're going to get the adapter. So in my case, I got here the adapter from my Samsung phone. So you're going to attach it, and that's it, guys. Alright, so now guys, let's try to test if it's really charging. So let's plug it in. Okay, okay. Yes, here it is. And you just have to leave it for about 1 hour, and after that you can already use your smartwatch. Okay guys, so I think that's all for this video, and then if you have any questions about the 116 Plus smartwatch, just comment down below and I'll get back to you. Again, this is Josh, and then don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also click the notification bell for more updates about the latest gadgets and affordable smartwatches.